Come on, play. Throw some balls. Hey, I'll catch the balls. Hey, I'll catch the ball. Come on.
Okay.
I'll catch some balls.
I'm going out now. I will go home. Can you pick up all the balls outside? You not again. Come on. I said no throwing because Alina, no throwing.
No. No, Alina, stop throwing the balls.
Andres, throw it to Yaya. Neymar. If you're not listening to me, I will go home now. Go inside now. Okay, go inside but not
Ball? Hi, there is Ali.
You want to go inside, Ali?
Hi, Ali.
Hey, Al. You gonna go in?
You know what?
Come on, go.
You know what, Mr. Aina? I'm just throw the ball outside.
Oh no, but did he put it back?
Yeah.
Oh good, then he can put it back. If he throws it, it's okay, but you have to put it back. Okay? That's right. Ngayon ko lang siya nakitang ganyan.
What's the name of your son? Aldrin James.
Aldrin.
Aldrin J.
What do you call him?
AJ.
AJ.
Andres, look at me.
Imagine AJ, AJ girl and AJ boy.
I know. Andoy. Andres. Alawa na si Andres. Kasi naging kuha na sa imong ilong doon.